What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Keno. I am here at the 16th Street Mall in Denver, Colorado, USA. I am privileged to have these beautiful damsels here, and they will be introducing themselves to you guys. Stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Could you please tell me your name?
Elise.
And you?
Jules.
How are you guys doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing okay. So I will be teaching you guys how to speak Igbo language, and I hope you don't mind. Igbo is an ethnic group from the eastern part of Nigeria, the Igbo land. Blessed with culture. We are blessed in music, in arts and entertainment. And Igbo land is a beautiful place where people come and get entertained and love. So we know how to accommodate people, make sure people are happy, right? So Igbo is a blessed land. Do you have Nigerian friends?
Yeah, I do.
Where did you meet them?
Just they're around San Francisco.
Are they good to you?
Oh yeah, they're good. Yeah.
They are? Are they guys or girls?
Guys.
Guys. Oh, nice. Can you give a shout out to Nigerian guys?
Hey.
I'm gonna start with the basic words. Like Kedu. Kedu means how are you?
Kedu. Kedu.
Okay. Now the second one we're gonna say is Adimuma, means I am okay.
Adi Uma.
Okay. Two.
Adi Uma.
Adi. We're gonna do another one. You say Miri.
Miri.
Miri means water.
Water.
Okay, say Miri.
Miri.
Now we're gonna say Amaramumma. just say something.
Aramoma.
Mumma means I am beautiful. So tell the world that you're beautiful.
Let's have
Say it
Let's have
again.
Amaramumma.
Aramumba.
Igbo Amaka.
Ibo Amaka.
Good.
Ibu Amaka.
Igbo Amaka means the Igbo is beautiful. Would you like to come to Nigeria if you are asked to go for a trip to Africa?
Honestly, I would, yeah. Yes, I would love to. I want to see the world.
Ooh.
So everything, yeah.
Okay. Oh, if you have opportunity to date a Nigerian guy, would you do that?
Oh, because I'm taken, so.
But at least if you are opportunity to date a Nigerian African guy, will you date?
I mean, I'm open to anything. So.
Oh, nice. What about you?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. Are you single?
Kind of. Yes.
I'm happy to have these beautiful two ladies. I am happy to have them here. So please do not forget to follow them on their Instagram handle, please.
Pickles Jar 44.
And you too.
RC Jules.
Thank you so much, and I'm happy to meet you guys tonight. Nice to meet you.